In this video, I will show you how to recover your Yahoo account in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser. And what you want to do is come across to Google, and in the Google search, you want to put Yahoo Live Chat. Next, what you want to do is click onto the first result that comes up, help.yahoo.com. So from here, it's going to come up with a pop-up window. What you want to do is just get rid of this by clicking across in the top right-hand corner. And then if you look in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you're going to see a chat icon. So what you want to do is press this to open up a chat. And then from here, what you want to do, you're going to have some options available. So you want to click onto the one that says account login recovery. And when you get a message saying, are you able to sign in? Just go ahead and click no, I can't sign in. Then go ahead and press I have already tried. Next, what you need to do is just go ahead and enter your Yahoo email address into the box, and you would just go through and basically they're going to go through and ask you some questions, and you would just answer that and they're going to help you to recover your account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.